Members of the family have already identified the body. It is positive. Cohen was murdered in his own residence.
Maafitha borithi kuhithukia mwiri wa Gitanga Kirigato Top Cohen ururaikitwo irima-ini ria giko gwake mucii guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
It can be written in the blackboard. So you don't need to go and photocopy many copies. You can...
Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha kuga mehariria ma guthurima arutwo grade ya gatatu ni marikireirio wega.
Taru thaa ici turaria ni turomboreca gikuo kia mwanake ugwitwo Martin Ngugi wa Karo.
Aikari itura ria Kionyo Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kuria thirikari imathondekere ndaraca ya Rwai rwa Gathwariga kuona andu aingi ni makwireire ho. Na umuthi ari muthenya wa gatano niguo tunyitanagira na mwandiki wito Jenga wa Wambui agiturehera icanjama na managi maria mahanikite kiumia-ini giki.